It's with great pleasure that I am with you today. We are now in this moment about the new teaching. It's the declaration that you are with Elia today. So, because it's from the Creator, the God of around the words, it's a declaration you are going to listen. And as a declaration, it's really a declaration from that YAHVAH, the God of Abraham, and from YAHOSHUAH, his beloved son. And he made Elia to bring that today. There are many declarations that will be spoken from this kingdom of YAHOSHUAH, the Holy Kingdom, all dangers, what will happen to your planet Earth. So you can take notes and always remember these words of Elia. So I tell all of you humans, American, England people, French, Chinese, Africans, Australians, Arab, and whoever on this planet Earth, call your God to destroy my words. I emphasize that again. If your God is the real God, tell them to destroy the words that I gave you. Start now. But the God who sent me, the God of Abraham, the honor of the authority in the heaven of heaven and all on this planet Earth and everything in him, he sent Elia to declare these words through YAHOSHUAH, who declared the words, and it's Elia who speaks. And you can really take notes, but I am going to tell it one by one because there are many words, and I distinguish it as it's planned, as it's from the honor, obviously, the God of Abraham. First of all, it's about the war in Iran. How is the end of the war in Iran? So you write down first the end of the war in Iran. What will happen there? This what will happen there. You American, you will never defeat Iranian. There is no America will defeat Iranian. That will happen never. That is the words of Elia. So I tell you, American, if you touch them, you'll be defeated, you'll be destroyed. Mainly the nuclear bomb, because Elia had spoken in 2005. Do and build your nuclear bomb, Iranian. And they had built it as I have ordered them, and that order is from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. So those who will touch it, they will be destroyed. I emphasize my words. Those who touch it, they will be destroyed. So I advise you, American, don't touch it. You Israelians, they must be stubborn, and they must do their foolishness to create, and so that their destruction will be appear. And that will happen, and that is really sooner. That is about Iranian. You will never defeat them, but you are tired to fight against them, you American. But they're always there. And there is someone who put him there to accomplish the word that is already declared, that Russia must be with him. And it's really Russia who must protect him. And that Iranian, it's like the heart of Russia. So how can you touch the heart of Russia? You American, here I am speaking, you will never defeat him. I advise you, American, get away from them. If you don't want to be destroyed, get away from them, American. That is the first declaration. The second declaration, as it's a declaration, all you can hear, it's all declarations, because I tell the truth and I always remind you, this is the second declaration. It's about what will happen to Israel and what will happen to his leader. What will happen to you, Israel? Your leader will be dead, and Iranian will kill your leader. I tell you the truth. It's time, the end time, that you cannot do anything anymore. So get ready, the leaders of Iranian and all leaders who led the war. But you will be killed by Iranian. you the leaders of Israel. Next declaration, third declaration, I must check it because there are many declarations about the war in Cuba. You must fight in Cuba. You must fight against Cuban, you American. But your leader will be dead there, you America. And the war between Russia and America will be open there. They will fight against each other. Call your God if they can stop that. My words. But that is your end. And American, they will be messed up. It's really a big messed up that will happen in America because of that situation. That is the third declaration. If you can hear that American, you should think you cannot do anything anymore. The leader of America really did his foolishness and he didn't listen to the words that I gave to him. Just let's forget it. Think about what will happen to you who are listening to me. Fourth declaration about the war of Russia and America, because it continues. Those words must be accomplished. It's really the war in Cuba that will lead the war between Russia and America to show it's always according to the words of YAH that has been spoken for a long time. Russia will reign on this planet Earth because he is called the beast and he must stand up and he must rise, and Russia will be shown in the war between Russia and America and Cuba. You, America, you must take part of that war in Cuba. You must go there. You must fight there. And you must fight against each of them. That is to emphasize the words, call your God to solve it. If they can, that's why you are put there. You American, you must get in stage of that. It's the end of your situation and it will be shown to you. You will never defeat Russia till the end. So the next declaration, the fifth declaration. It's a moment to make Russia out of his place. I have spoken that earlier. I emphasize the moment of the war in Cuba is to make Russia get out of this place because he doesn't accept to get out. So we make you out of your place, Russia, and you must be seen, you who had hidden for a long time. You pretended to make a mask that, and it will be shown you are the beast for a long time, and all about you will be shown and it will be seen. You cannot hide all about you anymore. All about you will be seen in a public way. That is the words of Elia from YAHOSHUAH, from beloved Father YAHVAH. The next declaration, sixth declaration. NATO will be disappeared, and obviously democracy will be meaningless. It's been a long time that Elia had declared that I emphasize. There are many people around the world who have heard that, but Elia emphasizes his words. It must be seen with your eyes to remove NATO and to remove the democracy. That dictatorship must be entered. It's been a long time that I have told that, not now. So I emphasize it's time to do that, to accomplish that. Call all of your God. Call Jesus, call Allah, call Ganesh, call Brahma, call Buddha, all of your God, to solve the words of Eliah. If they can, to go against the words of Eliah, if they can, and call the force of your armies, if they can go against the words of Eliah, call them. The next declaration, 7th declaration, United Nations location will be moved, and it must be moved to Russia. There is the place that they meet, in Russia. There you will find the United Nations in Russia, and it will be moved quickly, that United Nations, and that will be moved sooner. The next declaration, 8th declaration, all extraterrestrials will be seen in a public way, and they must go down so that you can see them, and they bring dangers for you, not good things for you, all humans around the world. And you will see what will happen next, but I tell it one by one so that all of you can remember it well. The next declaration, 9th declaration, all airplanes cannot fly anymore, and all ships cannot travel through water anymore, and all airplanes around the world will be stopped. Even pilots will not dare fly in airplanes anymore, because all airplanes will be crushed, those who fly, and all ships will travel through waters will be disappeared. So everybody will run away not to sail ship, and people will not accept to go anymore, and it's a foolishness for the people who will go. But call your God to solve that. Your wisdom when that will happen. Don't get out of your house anymore, that in case you will be lost in another country. You cannot go anymore when that will be happening, and that is really sooner. Next declaration, 10th declaration, the temperature of your planet Earth will be increased. It's not what you have seen. It's not about the greenhouse effect that increases the temperature of your planet Earth. It's not because of that, because of the gas, of all factories on this planet Earth. But the temperature of your planet Earth will be increased, and really it will be increased. There is nothing to cool down your planet Earth anymore, because it's the sea to cool down planet Earth, and the Qaf and so above is the heaven of heaven, who know that, but you don't know that. Those forces to cool down your planet Earth will be removed, and all ice will be melted. Your planet Earth will be burned. The earth, the forest, those will be burned. That is the end of you humans. Next declaration, 11th declaration, all countries will be splitted, and their many cities will be swallowed. And it's not about one country will be splitted, but there are many countries will be splitted, and there are many people will be there, many houses, many cities will be swallowed. Those dangers are waiting for you, dangers to strike the planet Earth. The words of Eliah, the declaration of Eliah. 12th declaration. Thunder will chase you. However, there is no rain. The thunder will chase you. That will happen around the world. You usually find thunder during raining, but what will you see? The thunder will chase you, that there is no rain, and during the day they will chase you, because all above take revenge. The next declaration, 13th declaration. The hell will fall down on you. You have seen that about the hell that size 12 centimeters, that the hell that will fall down on your head will weight 43 kilograms, but all hells will chase you. Call your God to go against that. Call Jesus. Call Allah. Call Buddha. Call Ganesh. Call Brahma. Call Vishnu to solve those problems. And if you know that you cannot solve the problem anymore, call YAH. The next, 14th declaration. Animals will rise to attack humans. I don't tell you the reason why, but brainstorm about that. But if you followed my declaration, automatically you know that. All animals will rise up to attack humans. And they are so mean, really mean. And it's been a long time that I have told you that I emphasize in one declaration so that all of this world can listen to. Before it was always in the Holy Kingdom of YAHOSHUAH, and those who were following the teaching of YAHOSHUAH who heard that now you who are arrogant, you who don't listen to, you underestimate. It's particularly for you, these words. Call your God to solve my words. But if you cannot solve everything, but those scare you, those frighten you, call YAH. But I will bring you to the one who sent me if you accept the truth. Remember, you are nothing. You are a herb that is easy to be burned. You are like a worm and maggot. The next declaration, 15th declaration. There are many pestilences that you cannot heal anymore. Doctors will not find the medicine for it anymore to heal you. But it's really a weird disease. And the one who touch it, they will die firstly. And the more it touch it, the more it becomes killer. So what to do according to you? Come back to the God of Abraham. You underestimated. Come back to the God who said, never sin. He hates sins. He sends everything I tell you. Those are from Him. But if you don't want to come back to Him, get ready and face those things. Those will strike you. Those will chase you, and the destroyer is going to you. 16th declaration. It's time to make you get out, Russia, as I have spoken in the beginning. And I send you the one who make that. But it's an order to those who make Russia get out. Make him get out. As already declared, he is pulled by his hook, and make him get out and pull him by his hook. I order that. Make Russia get out. Next declaration, 17th declaration. There will be famine, starve. And you cannot support that situation, all of you people around the world, that you will accomplish the words. 2 out of 3 of you will be dead, but 1 out of 3 of you will be left. That situation will happen among those situations that has been declared. That you didn't care. The truth is taught to you, but you didn't care. You didn't listen to. So you deserve those dangers. So get ready for it. Don't mumble. Call the God who made you arrogant. Call the God who made you underestimate it. But if you know you cannot solve it anymore, call YAH.
Fanambarana
18th declaration. Your planet Earth will be drunk. And if your planet Earth where you live is drunk, and how about you? And let me say why it's drunk. Don't ask about that. But if you listen to the God who sent me, the creator of everything, the planet Earth, you know that. Because you didn't listen to, and there is no answer for you. I don't give you any answers. But if you know you are drunk and your head is always sick, you always have a headache, doctors cannot heal it anymore. And you see there is no one who can heal the headache on this planet Earth. Because how can you heal that you are always drunk if you don't find any solutions anymore? Call YAH. 19th declaration. All people around the world will fight each other. So it's better for you not to go abroad anymore. There are all other nations, if they are different from different countries, if they will travel, it's not good for them to go abroad anymore. Those who have different languages, those who have different types of blood, you will fight each other. If you thought about what I have spoken here, what I have been speaking here, you know that it's getting in that situation. The wise see the danger and they take shelter, but the fool keep going and they face the consequences. The last declaration, 20th declaration, all about I gave them. All Muslims, most of the people on this planet Earth will become Muslims, and all churches will become a Muslim church. Obviously, the words of YAH is going to be accomplished. There are 3 of the church will be established on this planet Earth: Muslims, Roman Catholics, and the kingdom of YAHOSHUAH. Those 3 of churches will be left on this planet Earth, and the picture is going to happen. All people around the world will become Muslims, and you must do that. The words of YAH, that Muslims will kill human who will not accept to be Muslims. That is the words, the declaration of YAH. Think about that. Go against that words if your God is the real God. But if you see that your God cannot go against it, call YAH. If YAHVAH is the God, follow him. But if he is not the God according to you, always serve your God and worship him. And we will see what will happen next. And if you see that you cannot support the anger of the Most High anymore, that the God of Abraham, and if you know that the danger is chasing you and you are afraid to die, and I tell you, don't fear of the death, fear of the one who can throw you in hell. But if you cannot support all problems that is happening to you anymore, because of the dangers that is happening to this planet Earth, call YAH. But if you call YAH, you will see your real creator, the God of Abraham. YAHVAH is his name. And his beloved son, YAHOSHUAH is his name. Measure the force and the power of your God. Where is the force and the power of your God? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the power of your God. Call your God. Wake them up to solve the problem of what YAH spoke. Wake them up. Wake your God up. Disturb them. Maybe they are playing about. Wake them up. and tell them to go against to the words of Eliah. And if you know that you cannot go against to the words of Eliah, follow the God of Abraham. Follow and come Eliah. Come to Eliah. That is the end of the declaration of Eliah. Let's pray together, you who are listening to me till now. Thank you very much, beloved Father YAHVAH. Thank you very much for the declaration that you gave to me, that you gave me. Glory be to the Creator of everything that is seen, that is not seen. Everything is from you. Bless what I have been declaring. Emphasize the accomplishment, the justification, so that this world will see you are the God who was shown on this planet Earth at the time you went here. The God of Abraham, you are known as the God of Abraham, but you are the God of the heaven of heaven, the God of Eliah. Accomplish the words and accomplish them in a hurry and quickly. Glory be to you, beloved Father YAHVAH. In your name, YAHOSHUAH, that I make that words and prayers. Hallelujah. Amen. That is our moment for today. See you next time.